Welcome to the video tutorial series on how to use mywex. The first step to creating a placement will be to search on mywex for an employer. So I'll show you the steps. First thing we'll do is get logged into your mywex account, and once you are logged in, the screen should look like this. If you do require a login, please contact Jeff McSherry or Ronnie Madre for login details. To search the employer, we'll go to the Employers tab and click on View Employers. From here, we can search for Langley. Let's see what Langley has to offer as an employer name. So this has to be in the name of the company. And here we go. We've got, well, a whole bunch. I have a huge list here, but we'll just start at the top and talk about a few things that are important here. The red means that it is a reserved employer. So we can see here that this is reserved for district use by school board office personnel, as well as for ACSS. So this looks like it's a youth train program that has this employer reserved just for their placements. We can also see it hasn't been used in a while. So there hasn't been a placement there in about 2 years. So if you do see something that has a number like this or like this or like this, we could look at removing the restricted access so that anybody in the district could place an student there. Right here it says the activity and job description, so it's just the job title of what the student had while they were completing their paid or unpaid work experience at this employer. When you see employer status as active, that means that they are able to receive placements and you can go ahead and make a placement, assuming there are no district reserved or exclusive school restrictions. The work study is for the Career Explorations program. This is run by Marvin Mowat, and this is especially for low incidence students so that they can have experiences in work experience. Generally, these employers have different arrangements for working with his students. Now the employer I'm looking for is actually 888 Bikes, so we'll see if that's in the database. And no, it's not. So now we know that this employer is not in the database, and we can go ahead to submit this new employer for approval to be added to the database. And you'll see the instructions and how to complete that in the next video.